Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to see your token on Ledger Live. So first is you have to open the Ledger Live. So just launch the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Then you just have to make sure that your Ledger device is connected via USB or Bluetooth. So also you have to ensure that Ledger Live and firmware are fully up to date. So to be able to ensure that, you have to go to settings and then tap on about to check. Next is to add the right account. So you need to add an account that matches the token's network. So let's say for example, for Shiba, it is ERC20. So you have to add an Ethereum account. Now for BNB, so this is base token. So add a BNB Smart Chain account. Now to be able to add, you just have to go to accounts, tap on add account, and then select the correct network. And then you just have to follow the prompts and confirm on your Ledger device. Next is to check the token list in your account. So first is you have to click on the Ethereum or Polygon or even BNB Smart Chain account and then scroll down to the token section. And if the token is popular like USDT, Shiba, and etc., it may appear automatically. So you'll no longer have to scroll down to the token section. Next is to manually add a custom token if it's not visible. So if the token is not auto-detected, in your account, just scroll to the tokens, click on Don't See Your Token, and then you just have to enter the contract address, which is to be put in here, the token name in here, the symbol here, and the decimals. So after that you have to get accurate token details from the etherscan.io. So this one is for Ethereum tokens and BSC scan.com for BNB tokens. Then once you're done filling this out, you just have to tap on add token. Lastly is to confirm on your Ledger device. So after adding or receiving a token, you may be prompted to verify the transaction or the address. So you just have to approve this on your Ledger Nano S or X device for full access. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!